guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to create this look. So basically I know a lot of you guys have been going for ethnic day or orange, green or white theme. So I thought in my channel today I thought creating an eye look or makeup tutorial using the color from the flag, the orange, white and green. So I have used orange, white and green to create this look. So yeah, happy Independence Day to you in advance. I don't know when this video is going to go up, so yeah, but today is 14th of August, so happy Independence Day. If you want to know how I have created this look, then keep on watching. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get started. So I just washed my face and nothing is there in my face, so I'm gonna moisturize my face. I'm gonna use the Body Shop Vitamin C Glow Boosting Moisturizer. This is a very beautiful lightweight moisturizer. Let it sit for some time. After that I'm gonna prime my face. For priming my face I'm gonna use this Maybelline Mustard Prime Primer. And for brows I'm using the same L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Brow Pomade. I have been loving this so much. So it is very easy, it gives a very bold effect, and you can give any shape to your brows. Next, for foundation I'm gonna use this PAC foundation. It is in the shade 3.5, and then taking my beauty blender I'm gonna blend everything. I have been loving this foundation. This is very good and the consistency is also very thick. The price is also so affordable, though it is slightly lighter than my skin tone. So I'm gonna bronze my face. I'm gonna use this foundation. This is the L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade Cocoa. I'm gonna take a small fluffy brush. This is basically an eyeshadow Real Techniques brush. I'm gonna take very little bit of the product. This product is very pigmented, so I have to be very careful. So I'm gonna take it and blend, take out most of the product and then start bronzing my face. Next, for concealer I'm gonna use combination of two concealers. I'm gonna use this LA Pro Matte Concealer, and also I'm gonna use this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I have been using this concealer for a long time. So first I'm gonna use this LA Girl Concealer. LA Girl Concealer is more orange tone, so it is going to cover all the gray areas you can see in my face. So I'm gonna let it sit for some time. Next I'm gonna use this Maybelline concealer. First I'm gonna use a Maybelline concealer to carve out my brow edges, to carve out the edges of my brows, and it is in the shade medium. Medium is slightly lighter than my skin tone. By the way, I have ordered the shade Caramel. I've seen it is available at Nykaa. Next I'm gonna take a makeup sponge, the beauty blender, and blend everything. If you let the concealer set for some time, you are going to get more coverage. So you can see. Next, I'm gonna set everything with the powder. I'm gonna use this Colorbar Flawless Finish powder and bake my under eyes. I'm gonna set the whole face using the powder. I'm gonna use this Maybelline Master Contour palette and set my cream contour. Next, I'm gonna contour my nose. Taking an eyeshadow brush, I'm gonna contour my nose. Okay, and let me first remove the excess powder. And then go over the nose with the powder. Next, I'm gonna use the same blush from this. It's not too much crazy pigmented. Next, I'm gonna move on to my eyes. First, I'm gonna prime my eyes using this Makeup Forever full cover camouflage concealer. This is very good for eyeshadow base. So for eyeshadow, I'm gonna use some Independence Day 15th August Indian flag inspired eyeshadow. So I'm gonna take first orange shade, this orange shade from MORPHE 35B. I'm here just trying to put the product, I'm not blending it. Next, I'm gonna blend the eyeshadow using soft circular motion. Like this. Next, I'm gonna take a little bit darker orange shade. I think there are so many oranges. I'm gonna take this orange more bright to increase the intensity. Make sure to blend it nicely. Next, I'm gonna cut the crease using this Lakme Absolute White Intense Concealer in the shade Ivory Fair. It is quite lighter than my skin tone, so I want to cut the crease in a whiter shade, with a whiter shade, and then set with this white eyeshadow. I'm gonna take the white shadow and set the concealer with the white shadow. So I'm not thinking too much about the precision of the concealer because I have a white liner. So whatever mess I'll make, I'm going to clean it up with the white liner. Next, I'm gonna move on to green shadow. I'm going to take this shade and apply it as a liner close to my lash line, and go very close to my lash line. So I'm having a lot of fallout. I'm gonna first clean the fallout, put some excess of powder, and also I'm gonna drag the green shade to my lower lash line. Next, I'm gonna use this NYX white liquid liner, and actually I'm gonna clean the white lines, and this is going to make the white more intense. Next, I'm going to quickly finish off my other eye like this and then get back to you. So I have put some lashes and slight kajal to my upper and lower lash line. Now I find like the orange is intense, the yellow, the white is intense, but the green is slightly less intense. So I'm gonna try to use this Lakme 925 Naturale Aqua blue shade and try to increase the intensity. So I'm gonna take this Kiko glitter and add it to the white areas. Let's wait for it to dry. So I'm gonna line my lips using this Colorbar lip liner in the shade chocolate brown. Next, I'm gonna take this Nykaa MATTE-ilicious lipstick in the shade Next Level Nude. Next, I'm gonna use some highlighter, the Becca Highlighter in the shade Opal. Just highlighting the inner corners of my eyes, also to slightly to my brow bone. Next, I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Infallible Pomade setting spray and apply it all over my face. So that's the finished look. I have applied some gloss and few things. I think, yeah, I have applied some gloss and bronzing and all this, clean my hair, everything I did. So yeah, that's all for today's video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. I'm so much inspired to do a lot of eye makeup tutorial. If you guys love eye makeup tutorial, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then,